Hey everyone, I'm Hark from SSW. In this video, I will cover step 3, installing EagleEye from Azure Marketplace. Let's jump in. So as you can see on left hand side, I have opened EagleEye docs, step 3, install from Azure Marketplace, and on the right side, I have opened my Azure portal. For step 3.1, we need to get EagleEye from Marketplace. So what I can do, I can search for Marketplace here, search for SSW EagleEye, enter, and you will see one result. We can click on this one and then we can select our subscription. I only have this one subscription, and then I'm gonna select create. And now what it will do is it will open a new configuration wizard for EagleEye. Now let's move to step 3.2, which is setting up all of these configuration steps. So now step 3.2.1 is basics. Let's give it a resource group name. So I'm gonna create a new one. I'm gonna give it SSW EagleEye RG, and then I'm gonna select region as Australia East. I'm gonna give it application name as SSW EagleEye app. I'm gonna press next, and then step 3.2.2 is application configuration. I'm gonna keep the default project name. I'm gonna select environment as production, select next, which is step 3.2.3, which is we need to give the tenant ID and group name. So if you remember a couple of steps ago, we have stored these in our temporary node. So I'm gonna copy the tenant ID from here. I'm gonna paste it here, and again I'm gonna copy the group name. I'm gonna paste it here. Press next, which is app registration. For app registration, I have this warning sign to make sure that we have already created one app following this documentation, because without this the deployment will fail. So what we need to do here is we click on select existing, we make selection, and then we search for SSW, and our master app will show up here. We select it, and then we need to paste our client secret. I again open the nodes, and then I copy this client secret and paste it here and press next. Now step 3.2.5 is database configuration. I will select basic. I will keep the admin username as this, and I'm gonna paste the password. So I have created all my password and saved them in my password manager, which is keeper. And make sure you also do this and give it separate password for admin, read write, and read only, because you will need these different passwords if you need to access your database, especially this read only password and username, because we will use it to connect Power BI report. So now for the next step, Azure OpenAI configuration, I'm gonna select East US as the location. I'm gonna select GPT 4.1 mini as the model, and for demo purposes I'm gonna select 10 as token per minute, but the default was 100. About these two models, we will have new models coming out in future releases of EagleEye, but currently we only support these two models. So click next, and this domain configuration, this is optional. I'm gonna skip and press next, and it's gonna run the final validation, and then I click create. So it's gonna run the deployment, and I will pause it and I will come back once it is finished. So you can see deployment is complete. Let's go to the resource. It will open this resource group name which we given, and then we can click on this application, which is our managed application. It will have this manage resource group. If I click on this one now, it will have all the resources which was deployed. Now what is the next step? We can go to access the portal. So the portal is this Next.js. So let me zoom a little bit. So this one, Next.js. So this is our API, this is our portal. So we click on this one, it will give us this application URL. If I click on this one, and it is redirected to login page, I can log in with my Microsoft account. Our whole EagleEye is deployed. Of course, Power BI is not set up yet because that's the next step, but we can go to every page. For example, tags, we have 2 default tags. We have these scans. We haven't run any scans yet. And then we can go to settings, and you will have all your email domains in your tenant already being added. And then you can also see your subscription, which is 3-month free trial, everything. And yeah, everything's working good. So that's it for the step 3, installing EagleEye from Marketplace. In the next video, I will show you how to integrate Power BI report in your EagleEye portal. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.